Isinuko natin si Rodrigo Roa Duterte sa dayuhan na para bang wala siyang sariling bayan. Since when did the Philippines become a province of The Hague?
As far as we are concerned, we're no longer members of the ICC.
And as non-members, can we possibly fall under the jurisdiction of the ICC?
Yes, ma'am, I think, because we, under the...
What's the use of signing or ratifying a treaty if it bears no weight? Nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, itong 4 na pinangalanan ang siyang nagplano.
I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Oh, really, huh?
And was that the plan from the very
Yes, from the
beginning?
very
What was, and who was really on top of this? Ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Anyong was there too, and the President and I.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kaming-
isang grupo na
Ang-
nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am, and that was all.
Rumor lang yun?
Yes, ma'am.